Hello everyone. We're happy to introduce you to our newest version of software, Vectorworks 2013. Before we share with you some of the specific improvements and new features in this release, I'd like to talk a little bit about how Nemetschek Vectorworks has evolved in the past year. While we've continued to experience growth across the board, Asia has been a particularly strong region for us. I'm happy to report that our business in Japan recovered swiftly after the tsunami disaster. And this April, we made it easier for designers in China to realize their visions with Vectorworks by offering a Chinese language version of the software. We kicked off this new version with events in Beijing and Shanghai, and we saw a great amount of enthusiasm for our products in the local design communities. Across the globe, our subscription service, Vectorworks Service Select, continues to serve as a driver of revenue growth for us. It's become our most popular purchase option in countries where it's available, and the number of Vectorworks users in our subscription program has grown 30% over the past year. Vectorworks Service Select is currently available in the US, Canada, the UK, Germany, Switzerland, Austria, Belgium, the Netherlands, Denmark, and Japan, and we plan to make it available in all markets by the end of this year. A major benefit for Vectorworks Service Select members is access to the new Vectorworks Cloud services. We don't see the core of design moving completely from the desktop to the cloud, but there are certainly many functions that can be executed more efficiently using cloud computing technology. Through Vectorworks Cloud Services, we're helping our users evolve by moving their workflows to the most appropriate computing resource for each stage of the design process. For example, our cloud technology frees up desktop computing power, shifting calculations needed to generate sections, elevations, and renderings from the desktop to the cloud. Designers can even perform BIM calculations in the cloud, computing 2D results from an existing 3D model. Now, I'd like to take a few moments to talk about BIM, and specifically OpenBIM. In March, we were proud to join Building Smart International, other members of the Nemetschek Group, and other leading software vendors in launching the OpenBIM movement. OpenBIM is a universal approach to the collaborative design, realization, and operation of buildings based on open standards and workflows, using the Open Building Smart Data Model, also known as IFC. McGraw-Hill Construction conducted research across Europe in 2010 about BIM implementation, and their Smart Market report showed the #1 request for improving BIM was to improve interoperability between the different software applications. OpenBIM is the solution to this need, and we believe it's important to the AEC industry for several reasons. It supports a transparent, open workflow, allowing project members to participate regardless of the software tools they use. It also creates a common language for processes, making it easier for project owners to compare and select firms. And it provides quality project data that can be used throughout a building's lifecycle. We've worked to ensure our software has evolved into a premier BIM solution that meets the needs of architects, no matter what type or size of projects they design. As such, Vectorworks software has also become one of the most advanced IFC support systems in the market. As an example of this interoperability, we participated in a presentation at last fall's PCI Annual Convention and National Bridge Conference to demonstrate the first integrated precast BIM workflow from architectural design all the way through construction management. We were part of a team that also included the Precast Concrete Institute's BIM Committee, Nemetschek SIA, StructureWorks, and Tekla. We were also thrilled to learn that the team that won the award for Best Use of BIM for Design, Drama, and Excitement at the Build London Live 2012 event in May used Vectorworks Architect as their design tool, demonstrating seamless collaboration with SIA Engineer, DDS CAD, the A-Site BIM Viewer, and other programs. Now, with Vectorworks 2013, architects will appreciate even greater collaboration capabilities to evolve their workflows. And we look forward to sharing more examples of Vectorworks and OpenBIM throughout the year. And then finally, I'd like to talk for a moment about our strategic partnerships. This year, we've entered into new partnerships with companies such as CADFaster, which developed a cloud-based tool that lets users share, markup, and co-view 3D models on any device. We've begun an exciting new partnership with IES, Integrated Environmental Solutions. This partnership will allow Vectorworks users an easy way to conduct energy analysis for their BIM designs, and is the first significant BIM and sustainability relationship based on the OpenBIM file standard IFC. It's these types of relationships that help us continue to tailor our design solutions to our users' specific and evolving needs. And now, I'll turn things over to our Chief Technology Officer, Dr. Biplab Sarkar. I hope you enjoy learning more about how we've improved this new version of our software and how designers can evolve with Vectorworks 2013.
Thanks, Sean. Hello, everyone. As you know, the world of design is changing. And as your process evolves, the tools you use to realize your creative visions need to evolve as well. We understand this need. With Vectorworks 2013, you will discover more than 80 improvements and new tools, as well as new forms of collaboration to support your design practice. Our 3D capabilities are already built on the world's best modeling engine. And in this release, you will find several major improvements. Examples include perspective improvements with horizon options, smoother navigation, and the Create Surface Array command, which allows one to design complex models such as roof systems, curtain walls, and stadium-like structures. We have continued to strengthen Vectorworks Architect as a global BIM solution. The new Auto Hybrid command, Create Detail Viewport command, improvements to stairs, spaces, windows, and doors, and a new Parasolid-based roof engine are some of the new BIM features. We have made a number of IFC export improvements as well. We have added DXF DWG batch export with the ability to export 3D objects as flattened 2D graphics. And we have also introduced import-export of DWF, Rhino, and export of GBXML, FBAX, and Collada. We have made RenderWorks 2013 easier to use with the introduction of non-blocking rendering. In addition, we have introduced physical sun and sky backgrounds and import of new arrowway textures, making it easier than ever to achieve high-quality renderings. This release also includes a number of designer-requested improvements, such as support of images in worksheets, custom line types, hyperlinks, align leader lines, and collapsible classes. Performance in many areas of the program has also been improved. Examples of this include wall network manipulation, hidden line rendering, changes to Vectorworks Spotlight lighting devices, and of course, 2D navigation of Vectorworks scenes. Along with the core Vectorworks products, we will continue to make progress in the development of Vectorworks Cloud services. We are working on some innovative ideas in this area, and I think you will like what we have in store. I hope you enjoy all that Vectorworks 2013 has to offer.